Today, we'll be diving into the best washing machines for hard water, helping you make an informed choice for your home. Let's explore the top 5 products that promise efficiency and durability. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. First up is the COMFEE portable washing machine priced at $338. This compact washer has a capacity of 11 pounds, making it perfect for small spaces like apartments, dormitories, and camping trips. It features 6 wash programs including normal, heavy, delicate, quick, bulky, and spin only, ensuring it meets all your laundry needs. One of its standout features is the child lock, which keeps young children safe. The machine also offers 3 different water temperatures, which is beneficial for dealing with hard water as it helps dissolve detergent more effectively. The stainless steel inner tub is durable and long-lasting, resisting the buildup of mineral deposits from hard water. Its energy-saving motor reduces consumption by up to 84%, making it cost-effective in the long run. Users appreciate its ease of use and the ability to monitor the washing process through the clear lid. One user mentioned it fits perfectly in small spaces and works well even with frequent use. However, some have noted that the washer's plastic base could be more durable and the control panel is not touch sensitive, which may affect its longevity. Despite these minor issues, the COMFEE washing machine is a reliable choice for efficient and thorough cleaning. Second on my list is the Deco Home fully automatic portable washing machine priced at $249. This washer has a capacity of 16 pounds, which is slightly larger than the COMFEE, making it ideal for handling more laundry at once. It features 10 smart cleaning programs, offering flexibility for different types of fabrics and levels of dirt. The sturdy steel inner tub ensures durability, especially important in hard water areas where mineral buildup can be an issue. The machine is designed to be quiet so it won't disturb your home environment. It comes with a water inlet installation kit and a drain hose, making setup and water management hassle-free. Users have praised its quiet performance and ability to handle larger loads efficiently. However, some have mentioned that the hoses are short and could be longer for more convenience. The Deco home washer also includes safety features like child safety locks and unbalance detection, which help protect the appliance and your home. This washer is a great option for those who want a reliable, quiet, and efficient machine. One reviewer highlighted how it saved them trips to the laundromat and kept their clothes clean and fresh. Despite a few minor drawbacks, it is highly recommended for those with hard water issues. Third, we have the TOREAD portable small washing machine priced at $135. This washer offers a twin tub design, allowing you to wash and spin clothes at the same time, which is a huge time saver. With a total capacity of 13.5 pounds, this machine is compact yet efficient, fitting well in apartments, dorms, and small homes. It features separate timer controls for washing and spinning, providing flexibility based on your laundry needs. The washer is made of high-density plastic and stainless steel, ensuring durability and resistance to rust, which is crucial in areas with hard water. The light blue lid design allows you to monitor the washing process easily. Users appreciate the water-saving feature, which is helpful in reducing the impact of hard water on your laundry. One user mentioned it is very convenient for their apartment and that the spinner dries clothes well. However, some have noted that the drainage hose is short and the lack of delicate rinse cycle can be inconvenient. Despite these issues, the TOREAD washer is praised for its ease of use and effectiveness in cleaning. Its lightweight and compact design makes it easy to move and store, and the twin tub feature is particularly useful for small households. Fourth on the list is the Giantex portable washing machine priced at $179. This washer and spinner combo has a large capacity of 26 pounds, with 18 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. It features flexible time control, allowing you to set the washer timer for up to 15 minutes and the spin cycle timer for up to 5 minutes. The machine offers multiple washing modes, including soft, standard, and drain, catering to different laundry needs. The transparent cover lets you monitor the washing process, ensuring everything is running smoothly. The powerful motor ensures quick and efficient washing, which is beneficial in hard water areas where longer washing times might be needed to deal with mineral deposits. Users have praised its larger capacity and powerful performance, though some have mentioned that the hoses provided are not compatible with all facets. One user recommended watching tutorials for tips on using the machine effectively. The built-in drain pump and removable filter make water management easy, ensuring the machine operates smoothly even in hard water conditions. Despite some minor issues with hose fittings, the Giantex washer is highly regarded for its efficiency and large capacity, making it a great choice for larger households. Finally, we have the Pyle portable 2-in-1 washing machine and spin dryer priced at $200. This compact washer has a capacity of 3.3 pounds, making it ideal for small loads and single-person households. It features a top-loading system with rotary controls for the wash timer, program selector, and spin timer. The high-powered 250-watt motor ensures efficient washing even for heavily soiled clothes. The machine's compact size and lightweight design make it easy to move and store, perfect for small spaces like apartments and mobile homes. Users appreciate its ease of use and the minimal water required, which is advantageous in hard water areas. One user mentioned it fits perfectly in their mobile home and works well for daily smaller loads. However, some have noted that it may not be suitable for larger items and the gravity-fed drain system requires careful placement. Despite these limitations, the Pyle washer is praised for its efficiency and convenience, particularly for small households. Its energy and water-efficient design make it a cost-effective option for those dealing with hard water. The machine is ready to use right out of the box, requiring no special parts or plumbing, adding to its overall appeal. So, in summary, these top 5 washing machines each offer unique features and benefits catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize capacity, portability, or energy efficiency, there's a model here to suit your requirements. Consider your specific laundry needs and space constraints to choose the best washing machine for hard water, ensuring you enjoy clean, fresh clothes without the hassle. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.